Hello, everyone. Sue.oneschuk here, back again to continue the lessons of the workbook of A Course in Miracles. And today we are on lesson 33. And this lesson is, there is another way of looking at the world. And it reads, today's idea is an attempt to recognize that you can shift your perception of the world in both its outer and inner aspects. A full 5 minutes should be devoted to the morning and evening applications. In these practice periods, the ideas should be repeated as often as you find comfortable, though unhurried applications are essential. Alternate between surveying your outer and your inner perceptions, but without an abrupt sense of shifting. Merely glance casually around the world you perceive as outside yourself, then close your eyes and survey your inner thoughts with equal calmness or casualness. Try to remain equally uninvolved in both and to maintain this detachment as you repeat the idea throughout the day, which is there is another way of looking at the world. The shorter exercise periods should be as frequent as possible. Specific application of today's ideas should also be made immediately when any situation arises which tempts you to become disturbed. For these applications, say, there is another way of looking at this. Remember to apply today's idea the instant you are aware of distress. It may be necessary to take a moment or so to sit quietly and repeat the idea to yourself several times. Closing your eyes will probably help this in this form of application. So with this lesson, it asserts the power of mind, the power of our thoughts. As we observe our inner and outer perceptions of the world, we may find that what is there is what we know from the past. Now, we have the power to change both our inner and our outer worlds, which are really the same. Similar to what we were doing in the lesson yesterday. In lesson 32, remaining in what you already know will bring the same old. I believe there's an expression or a quote that says, insanity is doing the same old, expecting different results. So let's say here that insanity is thinking the same old, expecting different results. So hearing this lesson, we look at, as it states here, there is another way. There are other possibilities, a possible better way, more options. And, again, remember, the cause and the effect. Our thoughts are the cause of the effect. Think differently by changing your thoughts and the effect, your world, and your world will be different. So again, proceed in doing the lesson as so, and again, as it says, if there's any situations that you're distressed, you're suffering over, you're triggered in, maybe not, getting stuck in it, there doesn't seem to be a solution for this. Remember the lesson. There is another way of looking at the world. So continue on. Again, we're just continuing on, not just, we are doing this mind training program. And I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow and in the next video, which will be for lesson 34. All right. Have a good day and continue your practice of the lessons in the Course in Miracles. Bye for now.